Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's an exciting moment because it's time for an unboxing. And look what we have here. It's a box, and everybody loves their unboxings. So this is going to be fun. It's not a surprise to me, but it is a surprise to you what's going to be in the box. I'm going to give you a hint. It came from Nate Gross. So if you know Nate Gross, then you might guess what's about to happen here. Hey, look! It's a SpecTennis paddle. Look at that, right? SpecTennis, the Spade S1 Lite. Because now I am an ambassador for SpecTennis, which is played on a pickleball court. And I don't even like to say pickleball, not even for 1 second. And then, oh, it's the Explorer paddle, right? So, there it is, okay? It's like a high pressure, I think it's polypropylene. Hope I got that right. But these are really amazing paddles. And then what you do, oh, good thing I happen to have an orange ball sitting right here. Okay. What you do is you use an orange ball, right, on there. Hold on, work with me here. Okay, and SpecTennis is an amazing thing to do, and it more resembles tennis than pickleball. So I'm very excited about this and really I'm going to start teaching some beginners how to play SpecTennis as a way to bridge the ability to also play tennis. And then these paddles right here are a little more the advanced style. So very exciting times, very happy. Thank you, Nate Gross, for the SpecTennis paddles. And now I'm an ambassador for the game. So if you're interested in SpecTennis, send me a message and I would love to get you connected. It's more like tennis. It's less noisy. There's no kitchen, right? You can play and you can serve and volley. So very important, and lots of good players are doing it. Thanks for watching.